physiotherapist who completed your degree outside Ireland and is now planning to work there? Well, if yes, then understanding the CORU, C-O-R-U, recognition process is the first and most important step for you. Welcome back to MedCare by Academically, your trusted platform for clear and reliable guidance on medical and healthcare careers. So in this video, we'll explain exactly what the CORU recognition process is, why it is required, how the application works, the documents you need, and the possible outcomes, so you can approach the process confidently and avoid unnecessary delays. So what is CORU recognition? So recognition is the process where CORU assesses your qualification to determine whether it meets standards of proficiency required to practice your profession in Ireland or not. This assessment looks not only at your qualification but also, where necessary, your postgraduate training and professional experience as well. The goal is to confirm that you have the knowledge, skills, and competence required to practice safely and effectively in Ireland. Now, how the recognition process works? Well, before diving into the recognition process, hit that bell icon to never miss an update. So once you submit your application, CORU will not begin assessment immediately. The process only starts when all required documentation has been received and verified. And when this happens, your application is marked as file completed. Only at this stage, your application is prepared for formal assessment by the registration board. The quality and clarity of the documents you submit play a major role in how quickly a decision can be made. Now, why the standards of proficiency matter? Well, the standards of proficiency define what a graduate from an Irish approved program must demonstrate to be eligible for registration. Now, before completing your application, it is essential to read the standards carefully and ensure that your documentation clearly shows how you meet each requirement. This applies especially to placements, work experience, postgraduate learning, and continuing professional development. The more clearly you demonstrate alignment with these standards, the smoother the assessment process will be. Now, key terms you must understand. Well, during the recognition process, you will encounter several important terms. Assessment refers to the formal evaluation of your application by registration board against the standards of proficiency. Certified documents are documents that must be verified as true copies by a solicitor, lawyer, or notary public. A compensation measure may be required if your qualification does not fully meet the standards, and this can take the form of a period of adaptation, which is a supervised practice in Ireland or an aptitude test, an in-person examination. Now, once all documents and third-party verifications are received, your application becomes file complete. If successful, CORU issues a letter of recognition confirming that your qualification meets Irish standards. Now, the documents required for CORU recognition. Well, as a part of your CORU recognition application, you must upload several certified documents. Now, most documents must be certified by a notary, solicitor, or lawyer unless otherwise stated. And these include a certified copy of your identification, such as your passport, EU ID card, or public services card, a competent authority verification signed and stamped by the professional regulator in that country where you obtained your qualifications from. You must also be eligible to practice or be registered as a physiotherapist in that country, a certified statutory declaration, which is a legal document signed under oath confirming that all information provided in your application is true and accurate. And then a certified copy of police clearance certificates from all countries where you have lived for more than 1 year since the age of 18. Proof of competence in the English language. However, when uploading, you must submit a signed, stamped, and a dated photocopy. These documents must be uploaded during your online CORU application. Additional requirements you should be aware of? Well, as a part of recognition process, CORU assesses several key areas: the regulator or competent authority in the country where you obtained your qualifications from, your physiotherapy qualification including the subjects and level of study completed, the practice placements you completed as part of your academic program, and then any work experience, employment, or professional training you wish to include in support of your application. CORU may also require completion of an e-vetting form. E-vetting is used to verify a person's identity and personal background and is a standard requirement for healthcare professionals working in Ireland. Possible outcomes of the recognition process. Let's talk about them. Well, there are 3 possible outcomes. First, your qualification may be recognized. This means your qualification and experience meet the required standards either directly or with consideration of any additional learning or experience. Second, CORU may require a compensation measure, such as a period of adaptation, or an aptitude test to address identified gaps. So third, an application may be refused. Well, this happens only in limited circumstances such as ineligibility to apply or failure to complete a compensation measure after multiple attempts. Then comes recognition application fee. Well, the application fee for recognition of international qualification is 510 euros, which is 54,000 INRs. This fee is payable as part of the application process. CORU's recognition process is thorough, structured, and evidence-based. Providing clear, complete, and well-organized documentation is the best way to ensure your application progress without unnecessary delays. Now, to sum up, working as a physiotherapist in Ireland is possible for internationally trained graduates, but the process involves multiple steps, detailed documentation, and a careful assessment through CORU. Recognition and registration can take time and in some cases may require additional training or examination, as we discussed above. But for many international physiotherapists, the APEP pathway for Australia is often considered easier and more straightforward, with clearer requirements and fewer uncertainties compared to the Irish recognition process. Understanding all pathways allows you to choose the option that best suits your career goals, timeline, and circumstances. Connect with our expert team for the best career path options. We wish you the very best for your physiotherapy career. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you super soon in the next video. Bye-bye.